Hi, everyone. It's Miss Akvari in the library. For today's advisory activity, you'll have a chance to look at some books that relate to our different Ramsway Flexes, clubs, groups that you got to participate in on Tuesday. And just like choosing your Ramsway group, choosing books based on your interest is a great way to be successful and enjoy that reading time. So, what you'll have a chance to do is you'll get to log into our slideshow. Again, this is kind of you get to choose what looks interesting to you. But thinking about our Ramsway clubs, I kind of divided them up into four different categories. So the sports one's pretty self-explanatory. If you were in a sports talks flex or maybe fantasy football, that would be a good one to do. The arts link, if you were in something creative like drawing or coloring or acting or podcasting, where you're actually creating a podcast or creating the yearbook, that might be a great place for you to look. If you are doing puzzles, if you're doing a board games flex, if you're learning how to play chess, then looking at the games link might be a good choice for you. And then if you're in a group where you're focusing on making connections with other people, maybe helping out our school, like the Kindness Crew or the PBIS group, or if just that's interesting to you, I would encourage you to look at the community link. And then once you choose one of those links, you'll see several choices of different books that relate to that in some way. So maybe it's a chapter book where the character is doing community service or working through some sports or things like that. Maybe it's a nonfiction book about a person who has those characteristics, or maybe it's a how to book to help teach you about playing chess or different board games, things like that. So those are some examples. And then you'll also have a chance if you get time to maybe search our library catalog for other possibilities. So I hope you had a great time in Ramsway on Tuesday. I hope you have fun checking out these different books that relate to that. And as always, we love to see you in the library and we hope we can help you find something great to read.